Hello, I'm Deb from Invest Property Answers. Today I want to talk about how to make your hard-earned savings grow through investing in property and why wealthy people choose property to invest in. The reason is leverage. You get leverage in property. So what is leverage? In general, you put something in and get more of the something out. For you gardeners out there, when you plant a single strawberry plant, via runners you get lots more strawberry plants in return. When looking at investing in property, we are firstly looking at leveraging our pounds. You put some money in and over time get more money in return. I promise you this is not woo-woo. The big question is, if you have savings from, say, inheritance, settlements, redundancy, downsizing or pension funds, for instance, you will ask yourself, should I buy a property for cash or should I use bank finance? If you buy a house for £100,000 without leverage, that is for cash. It has no mortgage on it. When the market goes up 10% and your house goes up, it will be worth £110,000. You still have no mortgage. You've made £10,000 of equity growth. If you buy using bank finance, in other words, you purchase a property for £100,000 with leverage. For simplicity of this example, I am leaving aside stamp duty and legal fees. You can buy 4 houses with 75% loan-to-value mortgages of £75,000 and a £25,000 deposit on each. When the market goes up 10%, each house goes up £10,000, so you get £40,000 of equity growth. In other words, you have leveraged your pounds. You have £40,000 equity growth on your £100,000 savings, not just £10,000 that you would have had if you'd bought just one property with cash. This is brilliant, but it doesn't stop here. Not only can you buy 4 properties with bank finance, you can refinance these 4 houses through bank finance to release some of the equity. In this example, each house has gone up 10% to £110,000. You can borrow 75% loan to value of the new value, that is £82,500, and release £7,500 on each, which on 4 houses is £30,000 equity release to buy a 5th house if you so wish. The 5 houses will go up again in value over time, and you can repeat the process. Many property investors repeat this process until they have a property portfolio to give them the financial freedom figure they have decided on. For anyone looking to grow a property portfolio from an initial lump sum of savings, it is vital to understand the importance of and how to leverage your pounds in a safe and secure way. As Warren Buffett said, it is time in the market, not timing the market. For further property tips and posts to help you on your own property journey, go to Invest Property Answers on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Not being able or wanting to buy investment property is not a boundary to profiting from property. Investors with savings love working alongside my property portfolio business and receiving a strong, reliable return based on interest over a fixed term. If you'd like to hear more about Invest Property Answers projects, why not get in touch via info@investpropertyanswers.com. We love to help investors get a great return on investment and look forward to speaking with you.